Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to install N8N on Docker. So guys, the first step you need to do, download the app on your device. If you have Mac or Windows, choose any type if you have. After download the app, log in your account on Docker desktop and the search bar, search for N8N this option and click poll. You find this poll option here. After click poll, go to image section, guys. You see the image section on your account. You see this image. Write run option from here. This is NAN, as I say. After that, write this information and click create folder in your Windows. After create your own folder, upload your folder from here, from your computer. From here, name this one and the port, guys. Click on 5678 and write this information and click run. After that, guys, wait to upload your logs and click on this URL localhost. After that, you will see this icon NAN information. You see this just like this icon, guys, NAN. You see this information. For example, just wait. You see this phone name and write password. This is you directed URL you get from this host local. You see this local host port 5678 and upload your information here, guys, this email and address, and click register. This is how you can do, guys, to install an AN on Docker. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to give like and give share this video for more content.